something like this. All right, you're going to have something like this. You can see my interface. All right, then you see this place that says my SQL connection. There is a box underneath it. If you put your cursor, it seems as if that box is highlighted. So just click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you to the main interface. It takes us to the main interface. All right. So here we are. Here we are. This is our main interface. You see this white space. This white space is used for writing of codes. Codes. All right. So anything you write in this white space, my SQL will assume it to be inside this white space. My SQL will assume it to be code. All right. To be code. If that code is wrong, there will be a red line around it. All right. For example, I want to type Aminu is a man. That is a sentence. Aminu is a man. In that line number 1, if I type Aminu is a man, in that line number 1, all right, Emmanuel is fine. In that line number 1, I typed Aminu is a man. All right. If you look at that number 1 itself, you will see something like an X sign. It means that my SQL is not recognizing that statement as a code. Or perhaps it is a code, but the code is wrong. All right. So anytime you're writing a code, you see something like this, know that there is something wrong with that code. Or SQL is not recognizing it as a code. Okay. Now, this Aminu is a man is a sentence. It is not a code. It's a sentence. Now, there is something called commenting. Right? Commenting helps people to read a code. For example, in line 2, you wrote a code in line 2. Line 2, you wrote a code. And you want somebody that is reading that code to understand the function of that code. So in line 1, you will write a comment. The comment is explaining what code in line 2 is doing. All right? But if you just write the way it is in line 1, SQL will see it as an error. So how do we comment so that SQL will not see what we have written in line 1 as an error? Okay. There are many ways to comment. But the one I use frequently is I will put 3 dash signs, or your minus sign, 3, before the first letter. So 1, 2, 3, I will give a space. You can see when I do that, SQL, that error sign close to number 1 has disappeared. What you just did in that number 1 is called commenting. Commenting. So if the code you wrote in number 2, line 1 will be explaining the code in number 2. For example, if I wrote a code in line 2 to extract staff, I want to explain what that code is. I will put in line 1 under the comment. In comment, I will say, I'll put in line 1, extract all staff in the staff table. So anybody reading that line 2, when it sees line 1, we understand, oh, this is what code in line 2 is saying. So that is called commenting. So as we're progressing along this class, we'll be commenting our codes so that you will know how to comment. When you want to comment every line, you must put that 3 dash sign before the first alphabet. Okay, that is commenting. So I'm going to comment on this class. I want to comment as March DAB my SQL class. All right, that's the title of that comment. Okay, that's the title of that comment. So I've taught you how to comment.